Moon industrialization does not eliminate human work. It removes human exposure. On Earth, mining is dangerous because humans must be present. On the Moon, humans design the system, machines execute it. Robotics are not an efficiency upgrade. They are a survival requirement. The lunar environment is hostile to biology, but ideal for machines. No weather variability, no corrosion from oxygen or water, no biological decay. Robotic systems can operate for years with minimal maintenance. Most lunar robots are not complex. They are task-specific, dig, sort, transport, process. This simplicity is an advantage. Failures are predictable, repairs are modular, components are interchangeable. Human presence is limited to design oversight, systems control. Strategic intervention. This shifts labor from physical risk to cognitive value. Earth loses nothing in this transition. In fact, Earth gains. Every robotic system on the Moon requires design engineers, manufacturing facilities, software development, logistics coordination. These jobs remain on Earth. Moon industry does not export labor. It exports demand. Demand for robots, demand for materials, demand for energy systems, demand for advanced manufacturing. This is how lunar industry expands Earth's economy instead of competing with it. The Moon becomes a production site. Earth remains the innovation hub. Robotics allow continuous operation 24 hours. No fatigue, no labor disputes, no safety shutdowns. This consistency is what makes lunar extraction financially predictable. Predictability attracts capital. Capital accelerates deployment. And deployment makes the system irreversible. Moon industrialization does not replace humans. It removes humans from harm and elevates their role.